every stride a new story written just for me.
Unfortunately, the weather is not improving and we are expecting a lot of rain today. Today's stage takes us to our cave. This is a fairly long stage with several hills to negotiate.
Another day in paradise.
The route starts off in urban areas before slowly turning into more natural landscapes. As you can see, the heavy rain continues to plague us and our fellow pilgrims. The only way to deal with this kind of weather is to try and find the fun in it. A bit of humor, laughing at your own misery and encouraging each other by sending out positive vibes will go a long way to helping you cope with these difficult conditions.
Camino. And how are you doing today?
I'm waiting for my girls there.
There is no point in getting caught up in a cycle of negative thinking. The weather will not improve and you will only make yourself feel worse. After a good hour's walk we reach our first stop in Mos. The church is a classicist work from the late 16th century in Baroque style. Time for a short break.
First coffee break. Mr. Rain. Okay.
From Mos, the route becomes a little more challenging with a slow, steady climb through rural countryside to an altitude of 235 meters. Meanwhile, the rain continues to pour. Even the statues seem to take pity on us.
A little bit rainy. Just a little bit, you know.
We continue to climb through some lovely woodland to the top of Monte Cornedo, which normally offers a great panoramic view. Today we have to use our imagination. From here it is a steep descent to the town of Redondela. The rain continues to pour down, and we continue along the Via Romana 19 until we reach the outskirts of the town. Redondela is a larger town where the central and coastal routes meet, following the same route all the way to Santiago. It is high time to regain some energy after this hard morning of walking. After this delicious lunch, we leave town following the familiar yellow arrows and scallop shell symbols that guide pilgrims along the Camino. For the last stretch of the lake we need to negotiate another, shorter but steeper hill that leads us to Arcade. It is a strenuous climb at the end of what has already been a long, hard day, but the reward is a stunning view over Arcade Bay. After a last descent we finally arrive in the small town of Arcade. It is famous for its seafood, especially oysters, which are considered some of the best in Spain. The town hosts an annual oyster festival, attracting visitors to taste fresh, locally sourced oysters. If you have any energy left, visit the beautiful harbor and beach area. And suddenly, as if the Camino wanted to reward us for bringing this hard day to a successful end, the sun comes out. What a wonderful way to end the day. Bon Camino!